experiment that I explained on the board while doing the lesson. So what are the materials required for this experiment? Let us see. See, here I have taken water, 200 ml of water in a conical flask, and salt. What I am going to demonstrate here is of particles. This is what I want to demonstrate. That's why I have conducted this experiment. I am conducting this experiment now. See what I am going to do now. I have taken 200 ml of water in a conical flask. For this, now I am going to add salt. I am going to stir the salt, stir the mixture. I am going to keep this mixture for a while, at least for 10 minutes. Let's see what's going to happen after that. For 10 minutes, you see here the salt that I have put inside get dissolved. But you have to understand one thing, that see the level of water. The level of water is still remains the same. Here now I have taken 200 ml of water. To this I had also put salt into it. The salt that I put into conical flask is dissolved, but the level of water remains the same. It is not increased above the 200 ml. It is still remains the same. So even after adding the salt into it, the level of water is not increased. What has actually happened here? Why the level of water is not increased? Why it is still 200 ml? We need to understand one thing, that here what has happened? 200 ml of water I have taken. Then I put salt. But after putting the salt, the level of the solution does not increase above 200 ml. What has actually happened here is because now you have to understand that here water particles are there. These are the water particles. Here water particles are. These are all water particles. In between the water particles you can see spaces in between the particles. There is a lot of space between the particles. When you add the salt particles, when you add salt, these are the salt particles. These salt particles will come and get settled in between the water particles. They will come and settle between the water particles. So these are water particles, salt particles. These salt particles will get into the space between the particles of water. They occupy the space between the water particles like this. That's why the level of water does not increase. That's why here 200 ml of water we have taken here. That's why now these particles will mix with the salt particles mix with water particles by occupying the space between the water particles. That's why the level of water does not increase have taken place. So that's why even after adding 200 salt to this 200 ml of water, the level of water does not increase. It still remains the same. So from this we can understand that matter is made up of tiny particles. The tiny particles, when they combine together, what happens here? They are not combining actually. They are occupying space. Okay, like this. That's why the level of water does not increase. So from this we can understand that matter is made up of particles, tiny particles. Okay, thank you.